This video is sponsored by Rockform. Apple just wrapped up its fall iPhone event, and if you don't have an hour or hour and a half to watch the entire event, we got you covered. Here's everything Apple announced at today's iPhone event. The event kicked off with actually the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2, both of which are equipped with the new S9 chip. The S9 has a 30% faster GPU and a 4-core neural engine, enabling on-device Siri for faster response times and more privacy. Siri can also answer health questions like, "What's my blood oxygen?" or "How did I sleep?" Dictation is also 25% more accurate. Both of the new Apple Watch models have brighter displays, up to 2,000 nits for the Series 9 and 3,000 nits for the Ultra. They can also go down to 1 nit brightness for use at night or in a movie theater. The Series 9 comes in a new pink color, plus your standard options like Starlight and Midnight. The S9 chip enables a new gesture called Double Tap, where you can actually tap your thumb and index finger together to control the Apple Watch with one hand for things like answering or ending phone calls. The Ultra's night mode now turns on automatically, and there's a new modular Ultra watch face that displays more information at a glance, and both have the same battery life. The Series 9 starts at $399, and the Ultra is also kept the same at $799. And if you want to buy it, you can actually do so right now, and they will begin to ship out next Friday, September 22nd. Now we're going to move on to the iPhone. We have the new iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 models featured recycled aluminum and come in pink, yellow, green, blue, and black color options. They use the new dynamic island. Well, it was new last year, but new for those who like the standard models. And so the notch is completely gone on all of the 15 models. Now have display improvements with better peak brightness. The 15 Pro and Pro Max have the thinnest borders ever on an iPhone, along with new contoured edges. The 15 Pro models are made from titanium, which is stronger, lighter, and more durable than stainless steel. And there's a new brushed finish that looks fantastic, and you can get the titanium models in white, blue, black, or natural. As rumored, the mute switch has been swapped with the action button that can do everything from activating the camera to launching into a shortcut. It's customizable, so you can set it to what you want to, or if you just want to turn it off, you can actually set it to no action and it won't do anything at all. While the iPhone 15 models use the same A16 chip that was found in the iPhone 14 Pro models, the 15 Pro and Pro Max have the new 3nm A17 Pro chip, which Apple says has a breakthrough GPU and a 2 times faster neural engine. The GPU is in fact so good on the new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max that you can play console-level games like Resident Evil Village and Assassin's Creed Mirage on your iPhone. Like console games on your iPhone with incredible graphics. There's a new 48 megapixel lens for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. The new camera enables a 2x telephoto option on the standard iPhone for the first time using cropping. The iPhone 15 Pro models have an updated 48 megapixel main camera with a bigger sensor for better low light performance. And you can now capture images in 24, 28, and 35 millimeter focal lengths, swapping quickly between them. There's also a new ultra wide camera that's a lot better in low light. The iPhone 15 Pro has a 3x telephoto lens, but the 15 Pro Max is the one equipped with the new 5x telephoto lens that has a 120mm focal length that uses an innovative tetraprism design to enable better optical zoom. Apple also added improved optical image stabilization to support this feature. Portrait mode has been improved on all 15 models, and it now activates automatically whenever there's a person or pet in your image. With the new focus and depth control features, you can turn on portrait mode after you capture a photo, so you don't need to think about it in the moment. Night mode is also better than it was before. The 15 Pro models use 2 of the cameras to capture 3D spatial video, which honestly was something that I think was going to happen in the 16 or 17, but you can actually do spatial video and relive it on your Apple Vision Pro when that comes out next year, which is just crazy. What a great surprise. This is something that I figured Apple was going to do and definitely needed to do in order to make the Apple Vision Pro that more appealing on launch. And so if you have a new 15 Pro or Pro Max, you can go ahead and take spatial video and relive that on your Apple Vision Pro right away, which is awesome. As expected, USB-C has been introduced across the iPhone 15 lineup, and the AirPods Pro 2 have also been updated with a USB-C case. With USB-C, you can use the same cable for charging the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. On the iPhone 15 Pro models, there's a new USB controller that allows for USB 3 transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second with a cable that is sold separately. Emergency SOS via satellite has a new Emergency SOS roadside feature that Apple is partnering up with AAA in order to get you that if you have, if you're just kind of stuck in a jam and you don't have connection, you can now connect and get someone to help you out there. You will need a subscription for this, such as a AAA membership, and Apple has also improved call quality with better voice isolation. The new iPhones and the Apple Watch models are equipped with the next generation ultra-wideband chip. On the Apple Watch, you can now use precision finding for finding devices and your AirTags, and on iPhone, precision finding can help you locate your friends in crowded places. The pricing on the iPhone 15 starts at $799, and for the 15 Plus, it's $899. But for the Pro, we were expecting a price change, and we kind of got that. The Pro will start at $999. That hasn't changed, but the Pro Max is going to start at $1199. But you do get 256 gigs of storage instead of 128. And pre-orders will happen this Friday, and those will also ship out with the Apple Watches on September 22nd, which is next Friday. Apple has also spent a lot of time talking about its environmental initiatives, but the bottom line is that leather is out for cases and for watch bands, and Apple introduced the new fine woven material that has a suede-like finish, and it'll accompany woven Apple Watch bands and silicone iPhone cases. And that's about it for the major details. If you want to see all of the fine details, the things that I didn't cover here, you can go to macrumors.com and check out all of the information surrounding today's event. Now, before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, Rockform. Rockform just launched a few new cases for the brand new iPhone 15 lineup that are designed for those who take action seriously and need that extra bit of rugged protection. The new Rugged and Crystal series cases offer magnetic strength up to 3x stronger than any other cases on the market. Rugged series specifically offers black dual compound construction with reinforced corners and extra camera protection. The Crystal series offers the same high-level protection, but my favorite part is that you can now see that new color from your iPhone. So if you get one of those fancy new iPhone colors, you want to be able to see that, and this clear case will obviously be able to show you that. These Rockform cases are also integrated with MagSafe Ring for quick magnetic mounting and the twist lock system with the patented Rock Lock mounting technology. Perfect for you bikers out there or people who want to put it on a motorcycle or even just your car vent and you don't want it to fall off. It's not going to. It's that strong. These cases are built to withstand drops, scrapes, scuffs, as well as everyday wear and tear. And Rockform also added camera and corner protection while offering an improved grip on all MagSafe compatible accessories with 3 times the magnetic holding power. These cases are big, they're rugged, and they're perfect for those who live that active lifestyle and need a bit more protection. So if you want to know more about these cases and more about Rockform in general, click the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.